Hello everyone. So this is a short tutorial about how to use the website Time Graphics in order to build your timelines. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to create an account. I have already created mine, so I'm just going to go ahead and create a new timeline. Okay, so this will lead you to a blue screen. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to upload a nice picture. I will select a picture I already have, and I like this one, hieroglyphics, so I'm just gonna open it up, save. Okay, so this will lead us to a small menu, and here you can choose whether you want to fit your picture to the screen or want to use it as a cover. I'm just gonna leave it as a cover. Okay, and then you just exit. Now you have a nice background. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click in a random place and you're going to select Create Event. And you should have already finished your research. You should have already filled out everything in the questionnaire or the outline that I gave you. And you should have noticed that most scholars place the date of Solomon's reign, the beginning of his reign, in the year 970 BC. So now we're gonna write here, the title of this event is going to be Solomon begins to reign. And if you want, you can add a short description here, but it's not necessary for this particular date. And now you're gonna, first thing, this is very important, you will change the orientation to BC because we're working with BC dates. And here you will write the year 970. And then you're going to simply choose January, the 1st of January, because that's sufficient for this assignment. We are only concerning ourselves with the year. That's what's important for us. So once you have written the title and the date, you will proceed to choose your layout of the text and the design. So here you have like different layouts. Just choose the one that you prefer here. But in design, I want everybody to choose the first option, which puts the text inside the bubble, and that way you can see the text against your background. So just choose the first one, and then you can change the color as you wish. I'm gonna choose green in this case, and then you can also change the color of the text. Okay, so once you are done, I also want to teach you how to do another kind of input in your timeline, and that is, instead of creating an event, you're going to create a time period. And this is important because we want to create not only things that happened in one particular year, but things that happened over a longer period of time. And so this option will allow us to write two dates, the beginning date and the end date. So, for example, slavery in Egypt. And I'm gonna choose a random date. Let's say it's 446 BC. Again, you're gonna choose January 1st. That's enough. And let's say, I don't know, a random date, 1260 BC. This is not an answer whatsoever, but we're just going to choose that date. In that way, you can, as you can see here, okay, let me just change the design again. Okay, in that way, you can see, this longer period of time corresponds to a single category. Now, you can play with these arrows here in order to zoom into your timeline as well as zoom out. And then there's another option here just to make your timeline larger and to make it smaller. So this will be a very important feature that you will use in order to be able to locate your different events, because they're really far away from each other. So just zoom, I guess, just click on the minus sign in order to be able to see all your events in a single place. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have fun creating your timelines, and please let me know if you have any more questions.